Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at an incredibly stylish New England style detached bungalow. Now this is number 15 Fitzroy Road, and this property offers you an amazing opportunity to take in a very unique style of property. Coming straight through in off of the front porch area, you can see there that beautiful vaulted hallway giving you that exposed wood and of course the sense of space immediately. Beautiful exposed wood flooring as well, and as we go throughout you're going to see an incredible sense of space in the traditional layout with bedrooms to the front and a large amount of reception space to the rear. So coming through on the left hand side, we're going to go through and take a look at the first of the bedrooms. Now all bedrooms here are double in size, so 4 double bedrooms on offer with this property, and you've got the ensuite to one of them as well as the spacious family bath and shower room. You've got the utility room here as well, beautiful open plan living to the rear, and a fantastic 62-foot rear garden with a wonderful log cabin and shed. So lots and lots and lots on offer with this property today. Going through into the second of the bedrooms here, again another beautiful double-sized room, again huge tall ceilings here, lots of light coming through from the window there at the side, plenty of room there not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage as well. And coming back across the hallway here, we're going to go through and take a look at the ensuite bedroom. Now this is again a wonderful double-sized room, lots and lots of light coming through from the front, and you can see there through the sash windows you've got plenty of off-road parking with this property as well. Now the ensuite here is beautiful, very nicely finished with lots and lots of space in mind as well, with of course the open shower unit straight ahead of us and the loo and the sink on the left hand side. So we've got one more bedroom to take a look at, another double-sized room. We're going to go through and take a look at that up next. Then we'll go through and take a look at the main family bath and shower room before heading through into the rear of the property and taking a look at the open plan living space. So we've taken a good look there at the main family bath and shower room and of course bedroom number 4, and it's time now to go through and take a look at this incredible open plan living space to the rear. You can see already the wonderful amounts of light coming through from the Velux windows there up on the ceiling. Forming the focal point of the room, however, is that wood burning stove there, and the kitchen coming with a full range of fitted appliances, beautifully fitting into the room with of course that exposed brick facade just behind us as we enter the room to the front. Now from the kitchen there you can see that you've got the utility room, which is nice that you can tuck everything away, keep away those nice noisy appliances to the side and keep the living space nice and quiet and tranquil. Now with this space here you can see plenty of room there for the large dining room table as well as that island unit, so perfect space to entertain from, and again it's wonderful that you've got this open plan New England style of living. So there we have it. We've had a good look around number 15 Fitzroy Road. You've got plenty of off-road parking to the front as well with this property, as well as a fantastic location. Now the property of course has been substantially extended and refurbished to a high specification to give you that wonderful New England style detached bungalow. I really hope you've enjoyed taking a look at number 15 Fitzroy Road with us today. I'm sure you got plenty of questions for us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.